Siri bot connection. The fuck? What did you say to me? Guess I'll do that another time. It's working. And here. It's working. Cool. Just put that over here. Hello, hello. Okay. We have this. Turn it down a little bit. Turn it up for you guys. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is. Turn it a bit like that. Wow, that's a lot better. Like this, hello. It's kind of low, huh? The camera, a little bit. It's too high. Okay, whatever. Cut my head off. Okay. So we are continuing where we left yesterday. Chat. Try only working on Parrot today and nothing else. Trying to wait. I don't have my chat open. Trying to not get distracted by chat. Can you do so? Explorer always opens here. I don't know. Let's see. I can't see the chat. Hold on. I forgot one thing. Oh, Python. Boom. Now I see it. Right. Test the chat. See if it works. I don't know. I vibe coded a new version of the chat and there's nothing different with it. It's just now I can make it transparent like that and then there's a button to like press it back. So vibe code is changing the world as we see it, guys. Okay, where did we... I don't have my chat logged, so that's a bit concerning. I don't know where that is. Debug Ghostwriter app. Can I press? Oh no, I can't because of the chat. Weird that it's gone. I'm not quite sure where we left off. My previous chat session seems to be gone, but you were helping me merge Ghostwriter and Echo into an application called Parrot, and we were just testing that everything works as intended. It seems to work as intended, but then I'm not really sure, as I said, where we left off. So for future edits, I see you already made some comments in Parrot, but keep making comments in the code so we know like what's done, what needs to be revised, etc., etc. And always to keep current code functioning, so when we implement new features or try and troubleshoot, always obviously try to prevent breaking functionality that is currently working in the application. But yeah, keep the comments up, because now I'm quite lost on what was next. I think we were messing around with the pill feature from Ghostwriter and getting it to work in the Parrot app, and it wasn't really working as intended. I couldn't drag it around, but it looked the same and everything else was working. Just the dragging around feature and right-clicking on it to opening settings didn't seem to work. How we feeling, chat? Let's just go into plan mode and see what it says, because as I just threw out there, I'm not really sure where we are right now. Instead, what if I just put the chat here, because then see what it finds out. Also, I was working a bit more on like my browser game, and I couldn't really figure out what to work on, because first it started out, I just wanted to create a very simple, like quick 30 to 60 second rounds browser game. But then I started just working on my MMO vampire survival game, and yeah. I don't know, guys. What should right-click the pill do? I think this one. I don't know what you guys think. This one. Let's just try this and see if it works. Meanwhile, let me do this. Wow. I am vibe coding and I'm off to a good start. We've been doing it for 4 days now, live on Twitch. I was curious if you could maybe guide me on how you think I could improve my workflow. So right now I use VS Code with the code files open, and then I talk to one Claude Code agent there. I've seen many people use different IDEs and then talk to multiple coding agents at the same time. maybe I want to explore that kind of workflow, if you can do it for free in the sense of using my Claude Pro subscription. If we need a max Claude plan, then we have to hold off with that because I can't afford that right now. But if you think there's a more efficient way than using VS Code and Claude Code built in, I would love to know it, because right now I'm starting one task and I'm just kind of sitting and waiting, which seems to work out fine for now, but I don't think it's the most efficient way to do it. Also, what microphone is this using? I don't think it's using the right microphone, guys. Micro penis? Okay, no. Low microphone, let's see. You can't say which one? Claude's plan. Accept this plan. What's the plan? I got the pictures, 2 issues to address, drag not working. Right click. There is no right click binding at all. Yep. Let's go. Okay, it's not here, you do it. That's why MacBook. I fixed it, I think. What you're doing right is although valid. A lot of people overcomplicate AI coding setup because it looks impressive on stream, but the biggest productivity gains usually come from reducing idle time, not having 8 agents argue with each other. Yeah. With just your Claude Pro, you can still build a much more efficient setup without paying for Max. A good setup step is usually this: your current workflow, totally fine. VS Code, 1 Claude agent, 1 task at a time, waiting while it works. This is basically single-threaded development. Good for staying focused, smaller projects, avoiding chaos, learning while coding live. The downside is lots of waiting, no parallel work. The AI becomes a bottleneck. Very true. The upgrade path most worth trying. Split work into lanes instead of one. Agent 1, gameplay. This alone changes a lot. While one runs your review, test stream. Easiest, free. Okay. Git becomes mandatory. I would not jump. No, try to. Yeah, let's try to. Okay, so how do you think that would work right now? I don't want to try this setup for my game, but I want to try it for my app Parrot, which is basically it can either read with text to speech any text that you mark in any program, any website, and it can take your voice and turn it into transcription, and then you paste it into any program website that you want. So I may mostly want to use it to further develop and work on this program. How do you suggest I do that? Can two agents work at the same time and like change different files, or like if one agent is changing one file and the other agent wants to also touch on that file, then what happens? Each agent works on one branch. No, yeah. So it's suggesting me to like do like another one. Is this just like the main one, I guess? I guess I can talk to Claude about it, but I just don't want. What if this is like my agent manager? test. I don't know what happened. It stopped working, so you haven't been able to hear anything I was saying, so that's great. Looking at Parrot 851 champ clean at this time is overkill. My honest recommendation: stay on one man agent would use roles within that session. Plan first, code second. Use explore subagents for lookups, not main agents. Save. Okay, so help me get started with putting Parrot under Git. Okay, for it, it's pill. God, I'm starting to have so much stuff on my screen, guys. Okay. Open the terminal. Okay, so I need to run what exactly? Okay, I need to. I can't think when it's too loud. Smoke test all three important. Python. Okay, it opens up. Let's see where the pill is. The pill is over here. I can't drag it. Okay. Test, is Parrot working? It is.
Test, is Parrot working?
It is. Okay, but I can't drag it anywhere for some reason. Annoying. Okay, so I can't drag the pill anywhere and I can't right click on it either. I don't know if it's because it opens up at the bottom of my screen, you know, where the Mac dock is, even though the dock is hidden. Maybe there is some sort of Mac feature that doesn't let you drag or interact with that area on the screen. Otherwise, it's just something that doesn't work because it's basically touching the bottom of my screen on my main monitor. What does that mean? Explain that so a 5-year-old kid would understand it, because I don't know GitHub. I don't know what under a Git is or means. Does this mean that it's public and everyone can see the code now? Or what does it mean? Git is a tool that lives on your computer. Think of it like magic save game button. Okay. Under Git, imagine you're writing a school essay in Word. Without Git, you have one file. If you delete, okay, with Git, every time you say called a commit. Okay. I turned on the time machine. Okay. Cool. I understood it. Cool. Thank you. So now I want you to turn into my exploration agent and help me brainstorm / explore how we could take Parrot further. So I don't want you to touch any files or any functionality of any thing that's in the program right now, because I have another agent doing that. So you are only brainstorming with me ideas of what we can do next, new things we can add to the program, etc. I never actually checked if my chat is working. Maybe I should do that. Okay, it is cool. What Parrot actually is. Three small edits to pill default, move that here and here now. Okay. Okay, so let's try it then and see if it works. I guess I have to stop it. How do you stop it? By Control C normally, but it doesn't work. Command C? No. Option C? No. Mac stop terminal. Control C, but it doesn't work though. Oh. Yep. Oh my god. God damn, brother. It's not easy, huh? Thank you. Let's see what he's suggesting. I'll have to open a terminal again now. Nope. For some reason, I still cannot interact with the pill. I can't drag it. I can't right click on it. Nothing happens. But the new start position is changed, so that's good. I'm gonna crank it up because I'm kind of annoyed that it doesn't. It's not fixing it right now. It's kind of stuck. Okay, so let's read what he says. What Parrot actually is, strip away the name. It's a universal voice I/O for Mac, a layer that sits above every app and lets you voice flow in Ghostwriter and audio flow out Echo. Yeah, macOS has these capabilities, but they are siloed inside individual apps. We're building the Mython global layer. That framing opens a lot of doors. Every idea below is what else falls outside of Universal. We've also already got 2 interesting unused superpowers in the code base. Danish, German, French, Spanish. Yeah. Currently only used for a dictation combination of representing the slot. If I've heard ideas like the obvious fusion, conversation mode, hold FN talk, whisper transcribes, sends to an LLM, speaks back through echo. You already have every piece. This is basically turn your Mac into a hands-free. So that could be cool. Stop, just do it. Translate and speak. Oh yeah, that could be a feature. I like that actually. A parrot. Turning it into like a Siri. Oh yeah, I don't know if I like that. So what do I like here? Well, the first one, obvious. How should we fix the clicks resize window to match pill? I think 1 and 5. And some sort of dashboard, I guess. Dashboards are always good, right guys? It doesn't work. I don't know about you, but Well, personally,
Oh,
I
Spooner.
really like.
Little fuck buddy, huh?
Oh, thank you for the follow, Clueless Nova. Appreciate you. I got distracted now. Personally, I really like the first one, and it's obvious as you're saying, even though it very quickly can cost a lot in API cost. The second one I like too, but I don't know if I think it's fitting for this program. Maybe it could be like a sub program or something like that. 5 live transcripts preview would be pretty cool as well. Just maybe like something you can toggle on or off, because why not? History and snippets. Yeah, I do have a log in Ghostwriter, but maybe an updated version of that as like the history slash snippets. The cost dashboard is cool as well, I suppose, just so you can see how much you're spending with the different APIs. And that's it, yeah. Okay. Let it all go. You look so familiar. Oh, why is my chat not working? Sorry, I didn't see you, Super Poverty Man. Welcome to the stream. I look so familiar. Some people say I look like Jacksepticeye or whatever, like that YouTuber guy. That's probably the guy I get, what do you call it, like compared to the most in looks. So I appreciate it. I think so, a little, yeah. It's a compliment. I mean, yeah, I don't think he's like a bad looking guy or anything. Why is it not working the chat though? What, did I edit it? It's because I closed it. Lol. Oh my god. It's because I closed it when I force closed it, guys. Yikes. No, I'm stupid. I didn't realize I closed the chat. Yeah. Let's fix that, huh? We're playing some bangers. I need like an easier way to do this. This is really annoying. Okay, test, chat. Let's see if you're on screen again. Oh, can I test? Yep, it works now. Great. You also vibe code? Are you a vibe code enjoyer, Nova? Alright, so what are my agents telling me here? You are? Cool. How long have you been doing it? And like, is there something fun that you're working on? Let me know. I think the music is a little bit low, right? No idea, honestly. Trying to work on a Minecraft mod with capes. Cool. Yeah. I'm all over the place. Like I had so many ideas, and then if I don't like write it down, I forget it immediately. I also want to like, I would love to do some like actual games. There's like so many games that I have like ideas for, or like it's games I used to play and then they don't exist anymore, so I want to make like my own game because no one else is fucking doing it. And yeah, but there's not enough tokens, there's not enough like credits. It's annoying. Yeah, I've honestly, like, I probably haven't used AI every single, no, not every single day, but like way more than like every other day, or how do you say it, 50%? I don't know. If you have 2 days, right? Then like, okay, I can't even explain or whatever. I'll shut the fuck up. I just want to say I used AI a lot since I became aware of its existence. What am I working on right now? So it's actually a very, very simple program. So I don't know if you know, but there's something called Whisper Flow, which a lot of vibe coders use, where it's basically just you talk, it transcribes, and then it turns like what you're saying into text, right? Yeah, so I didn't want to pay for that. So I vibe coded my own version that is a lot cheaper, just using OpenAI's API, because I was like, why pay like, what is a subscription called? I don't even know. Like, Whisper Flow. What is a subscription called? It's like more than 10 euros. I don't even know. Pricing. 12 a month, right? That's not bad. That's not crazy, but I can do it for one. So I basically just wanted my own version cheaper. So I have like a very simple version. And then I also made like another version that basically does the opposite. So you can see when you talk to these AI chat models, it loves to spit out so much text, right? And I don't know, I just wanted a version because first of all, I read very slowly. Oh, it's because I stopped streaming, yeah. So yeah, I stopped streaming. That's why. I've been streaming since I was like 15 years old. So I basically like go through these periods in my life where I stream for like a month or something, a few months, and then I just ditch, and then I show up like 2 years later. So yeah, that's why. Yeah, something like that. I think it's just like my life has changed so much. Like I'm like an adult now, you know, responsibilities, stuff like that. I don't have kids yet though, but like if I had kids, I think I'd probably never stream. But it's just, you know, yeah, so many things change. Like I can't just come home every single day or wake up or whatever if like you don't have a job or a school and then just like stream every day, even if I wanted to, because like then I have a job, and then like the job, it takes like at least like 10 hours of your day, just like the job and the transportation for like average people, I would say, you know, 1 hour transport each way. It's pretty like average. And then of course, so you're also getting ready and like you're maybe like relaxing, de-stressing or whatever after work. So it's even more than 10 hours, but let's just say 10 hours. And then you sleep for at least 8. That's 18 hours already. Boom. It's gone of your day, right? And you have 6 hours to do whatever you want. But then again, you have to like do like normal adult things like groceries, cooking, you know, washing your bed sheets, your clothes, cleaning, tidying, blah, blah, blah. So it's a lot less than that. So, and then besides that, right now I live in my mom's apartment, so when my mom is here, I can't really stream because it's a very small apartment, so she would be sitting right there, and then like it's pretty awkward, right? And then also I'm in a relationship. So, and I love my girlfriend, don't get me wrong, but it's just, then you spend time with your girlfriend, and when she's here, it's like if I've been at work all day, then she missed me and then want to do stuff with me. And so, yeah, it's difficult to stream, I think, when you're like an adult and you have like these people in your life and responsibilities and stuff. So, yeah, when I just get a moment, I just try and stream. But that requires me also to have like something to stream. And I don't know, I still play video games, but I play less video games. So it's just, I don't know, it's nice that there's something like vibe coding now that kind of like when you're a gamer, it kind of feels, for me, it kind of gives me like the almost same kind of entertainment and enjoyment as playing video games. Except in a way it's like even better because you actually feel like you're being productive. So I think that's pretty cool. Okay, sorry, I have to read what my AI slave is telling me. Okay, let's see if it works now. It said it changed something. So Minecraft though, I'm gonna be honest, I have not played Minecraft for the longest time. Oh no. It made it super weird. It's still, I can't interact with it still. Why is it not working? Okay, it's really annoying. You can't see what I'm talking about because it's on like my main monitor. It's basically just like my program. It has like a small, well, it was a pill before, like a small, like, and then you're supposed to drag and drop it around, and I don't know, it's not working. It's really annoying. Alright, listen up, buddy. It's still not working. You really gotta clean up your act here now because we are spending a ton of time on this. Can you please just look at what you did with Ghostwriter, because you got it to work with the Ghostwriter app and now it doesn't work in Parrot. So literally just look at the code and copy that functionality. Please, please, please. He got it to work before. I don't know. I don't understand what the problem is, honestly. God damn it. My hair is a bit scuffed, I'm sorry. Okay, let's see what the other AI person is telling me. It's not an AI agent. I don't even know what to call it. Slave sounds very degrading, I know, but it's like I'm literally, I feel like I'm just like some like do this, do that. Yeah, so I don't know. My AI coworker or whatever. Okay, let's see what he's saying. He said this, then I said this, and then he said, let me go deeper on each +1 observation that ties them together. Conversation mode. The cost question first. Rough map. Okay. That's a nice time. Thank you. Yeah. I've actually wore tie every single stream since I started streaming vibe coding. I never wear tie. I don't wear a tie for work. I don't wear a tie for like, social gatherings. But then I was like, I got a bunch of ties in my closet. I never wear them. Why not just dress up for my streams? Because usually you like kind of dress down, so why not? What is it saying here? Conversation mode, the cost question. 30 seconds back and forth, you talk, the AI answers in 3 sentences. 50 of those, it calls heavy use. 50 times 30 seconds, what's that? That's 25 minutes. Talking to AI for 25 minutes is not heavy use. I literally sit and do it for 4 hours. That would cost $7.50 a month. So what the AI agent is suggesting me is, because I have a program where you can talk and it takes your words, puts it into text, or you can mark something and then it speaks it to you. It's suggesting me that I do, so you can like say something and it just automatically takes it to like ChatGPT and then it like speaks it back to you. But it's like, I mean, like all of these AI website already have that. I mean, I guess it's more convenient if it's just like a program that runs in the back and you can always just press one button and then you can talk to the AI and it just like answers you. I guess like there's a bit of convenience there, but besides that, I don't really see like how it's more like appealing than just using the built-in chat bots. Okay, so what is it saying about the live transcript here? I don't know. Okay. History chronological log of past dictations. Snippets. Named reusable text triggered by voice. Insert my. You could ship story first. It's mostly UI on top of data you'll already be saving. Cost dashboard, small but important. Pattern I notice. 4 of your 5 picks actually cluster into one project, conversation mode. Needs the cost dashboard. The only worry, so to say, I see is why would people use my program over using the built-in voice mode in Claude Code, ChatGPT, Grok, Sesame AI, you know, all of these AI, they already have like a call mode. So it's a bit more convenient, I suppose, if it's just a program running in the back of your computer and you press a hotkey and then it answers you. But still, is it enough of a convenience to people wanting to pay for it? I don't know. There's probably already programs out there for it, for sure. And then it's like, does it need to be tied into Parrot? I don't know. Or does it just need to be its own program? I don't know if it needs to be part of Parrot. It's called Parrot because the AI suggested it, okay? And I actually think it's a funny name. But I don't know if it makes sense for it to be part of a program called Parrot. That's the thing. I really don't know. Honest answer, your concern is valid. Voice mode, LLM is now commodity. Another way to talk to AI, you lose the big players, have better voices, lower latency. So don't build that. system-wide, not app-bound, the biggest one. ChatGPT voice mode requires you to open ChatGPT. The conversation lives inside their app. Parrot already once on every app. The natural killer feature isn't chat with AI like chatbot. It's talk to AI about whatever I'm looking at, wherever I am. Reading an email, hold a key, draft a reply. Okay. You're staring at code. Explain what this does. Yeah, but then you need to like highlight it or something. This it can. I don't think you can do this that easily. Yeah. Well, Claude Code does a little bit. Bring your own key. It's a lot of reading. I hate this. It's too slow for me. I need to vibe code something that fixes it better than Parrot, because I mean, I could try using Parrot for it, but let's try to use Parrot for it. Let's test what we're actually vibe coding. Let's put it to the test, okay? We're gonna use... Hold on, I'm gonna pause the music. Let's test what we're actually building here. Where is my music? Oh my god, I'm going crazy. I have too much stuff open. I can't open it. Please help. Someone send help. I'm not a Mac user. Okay, I can't. Okay, apparently. It's not opening. I hate when this happens. Can you not alt tab? That's what I'm trying to do, and nothing's happening. Wait. Where's my? It's my Firefox. I'm pressing on Firefox and it's not doing it. It's a little bit. And what is this here? What is this, guys? What is that? Where's my Mac dock? Nothing's working. Okay. Oh my goodness. Please, someone send help. Okay. I know what to do. Boom. Later, bro. Gotta force quit it down. Thank you, it's back. Okay, so now you can see it. It's because on Mac, when it sits down like here, you have to like press it like that. But the problem was I couldn't get the dock to come up. So I couldn't do it. Yeah, it's a bit weird. All right, let's find, it's this one. Dude, I don't even know how to do this. I hate it here. All right, we're using Parrot. Let's try it out. We're doing the simplified version like this, and let's just see what it says, and let's see how long it takes. Boom. Okay, it's too long. 7.
Parrot works across your entire Mac, not just inside one app. Unlike ChatGPT's voice mode, which is stuck in its own app, Parrot lets you talk to AI about whatever you're.
I didn't understand what he said. What did he just tell me? What was the last word he said? Are you kidding me? Wait, how do I repeat it?
Can you hear Parrot?
Hello? I'm confused. Okay, we're trying to do it again.
Parrot works everywhere on your Mac, not just inside one app like ChatGPT. Imagine talking to AI about whatever's on your screen, whether you're writing an email, looking at code, or.
I don't know what it's doing. It's being stupid. I'm trying to close it now. Okay. Also, I closed my chat again. God damn it. Yeah. Thank God. Okay, so what if I... No, I don't even know anymore. See? No, I can't. That's how... Don't press this button, then you are wrecked. Okay. We can change the voice actually and see if it's better, but I don't know. Okay, let's see. Apologize for the runaround. I had the wrong diagnosis twice. I forgot to test the pill. Also, I have to open my chat again. Oh. Right now, every time I have... No, nothing. I'm just complaining for no reason. It's not the right place to put it. Python 3. Okay, we're back. I think. Boom. Yeah, no, welcome back to you because it's the chat that's back. Okay, anyways. I don't know. The reframe, the trap is treating conversation mode as the headline. It shouldn't be the headline. Is Parrot is it listens. No. Conversation mode is the connective tissue that makes the other two feel complete. It's not competing with ChatGPT voice, it's competing with open ChatGPT. Paste your context, type your question, copy the answer back. Mac Whisper started this way. I don't even know what Mac Whisper is. Paid one-time license for the polished experience. Okay. Let's test Parrot. See, I'm getting distracted now. Too many things. Okay, so we're testing the pill now. It still doesn't freaking work. Are you kidding me? I am firing this AI agent. You're fired! It's not working. God damn it. What do I do then? I don't know. We're not getting anywhere, chat. We're not getting anywhere. Fuck. No, I'm not giving up. It's just annoying that it's not fixing it. Okay. I know. We're gonna crank the effort up full. It's gonna cost a lot of tokens, but fuck it. It still doesn't work. I don't know what's wrong. Come with ideas. Maybe it's not something with the actual code, but like the interaction of my mouse, like OBS program on the Mac being right behind it. I don't know, bro. Just help me brainstorm why this isn't working. God damn it, man. I think it's good etiquette that I stop the program before I ask it to like edit the files. Can I, the chat messages, they're gone too quick. I don't read them. Try to make a master prompt or something to give it a lot of context. A master prompt with AI, yeah. Is it called a master prompt? Okay, let's. I have no idea. Okay, we're letting my guy finish up his hard work here. If it doesn't work, we're asking the other AI how to talk to this guy, okay? Okay, let's see what it's saying. Let's just read it. Switching to brainstorm mode. No more code yet. 3 failed attempts. Yes. Thank God. Okay. Theories. Ranked by gut feeling. The pill window is receiving events, but our bindings aren't firing. We never actually verified clicks. We've been assuming. Okay. Don't assume anything, bro. Why are you assuming? A silent fail. Quads might not be finding the pill. Another foreground app is layered over the pill. There's an ad coming. I'm just snoozing it. I'm not gonna juice ads on first time viewers. Yeah, Mac OS. Okay, so what do you suggest we do? No guessing. Add 4 print statements, 1 run. You tell me what shows up. We know exactly which theory is right. No, I don't run ads, okay? But I don't know if you stream or not, but Twitch, like, by itself runs ads, even though I say, like, don't run ads. It's, yeah. Well, now it's like you have to run ads, but it's just a matter of when. I mean, if you have thousands of viewers, you know, you could make a pretty good amount on ads, but your boy doesn't. So yeah, it's true. I make like we're talking about maybe 12 cents or something in like a 3 hour stream. That's what I'm making on ads right now, you know? Like not even like half a dollar. We're talking like 5 cents, you know, 10 cents. I mean, it really depends on obviously how many people see the ads, but so it's a skill issue. Yeah. Sure, yeah. Sure, add the print statements or whatever you call it. If this doesn't help us figure out what's wrong, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, he's adding the stuff. Okay, let's see what he's doing. He's working on it. Someone suggested that I vibe code a game about vibe coding. No, I snoozed the fucking ad. Snooze. Okay. Print added, here's how to run it. See, sometimes it does. I don't understand why it's doing this. What is this? Like, I don't understand what this is. Why? I'm getting a little bit annoyed by Mac. Why is it speaking French all of a sudden? Ah, we got an error. No. I'm literally removing everything on this monitor. You see, there's only the pill here. Nope. Ain't nothing happening. Nothing is registering with this stupid pill. Okay. Yep. So this is the only error we got in the terminal. When I left click, I spammed left click. I minimized every other window on that monitor. There's nothing besides the pill and my desktop. Still, it doesn't register anything with left click or right click or like drags. Okay, now I have to reopen everything. I'm gonna try and... What is this, man? What is it? Why are you here? The dock just like stops working. It's kind of... It's rage baiting me. God damn it, man. My Mac computer is rage baiting me. The Mac dock doesn't work, and for some reason when I take my cursor to the lower right corner, which usually makes the dock appear on that screen, it just flashes a black square. If I press it, it opens a new note on my Mac. Please help, I'm going crazy. A macOS hot corner. Whoa. Go to Apple menu. Okay. This is being turned on forever. Off. Oh my god. System settings. Also, why is this the settings on a computer now? It looks like an iPhone. I hate that they did this. So I'm sorry, it's so bad. I don't even know where it is. Am I blind? Dad? No. Okay, I guess it's this. All the way down, hot corners. Oh my god. Thank God. There's hope for Mac. Now I just have to reopen everything. That is really nice. Yeah. It's so weird. I haven't experienced that any of the other streams. So it's like everything was slowly going better and better each day. And then today it's just like, I don't know. Stuff is just blowing up. Stop it with the ads. Snooze it. Dismiss. Okay, there's going to be an ad in 7 minutes, okay? 7 minutes. Okay. Right. Also, yeah, I gotta change this because it's kind of annoying how quickly the chat messages disappear. Hide messages after 25 seconds. No. Let's do like 40. Hopefully like still works. Okay. Okay. Alright, enjoy your food. No worries, no worries. I'll probably still be here working on the same thing. Okay. Fix the root cause was hidden because we were eating. What? Eating? Relaunch, you should see something like this. Okay. Press the pill. That's so weird, honestly. Why is it? It's not interactable at all. I don't know why. Okay. We need to talk to the other AI because we're wasting. I need your help in creating a master prompt or whatever you call it for another AI agent because I have spent 5 attempts troubleshooting and fixing something that should be fairly simple since we already created this functionality previously, but still the AI doesn't understand how to fix it or troubleshoot it. So I need your help in how to prompt the AI. So give me a fairly simple script I can tell the AI. We're creating the master prompt. That was so quick. God damn it. Okay, I got the master prompt, okay? What specifically is broken? It's microwaving. Nice. What are you gonna eat? 5 failed attempts means the AI is missing context the previous tries didn't supply. I need to know what to put in the prompt. While you answer that, why is parrot open? Close parrot. No. Fish soup. I mean, I like fish and I like soup, but it's not my go-to meal. I don't know if I ever had fish soup. I hate soup. Well, honestly, I don't like soup that much either. I'm not gonna lie. It's like there's some soups that I can like eat, but I don't know. Usually, I like solid food. What are we creating here? Well, it's taking many turns. What I call you? Packets? I don't know. That's supposed to be an A, right? Packets. Packets. All right. Well, it's a bit complicated to explain. It's actually a very simple program, but it's taking many different turns. That's, yeah. Yeah, I love fish too. Maybe I'll like fish soup then. Right now we're just trying to fix something because I'm sure you understand. No, it's not that you won't understand. It's just that as you can tell, sometimes I'm very bad at just shortly, simply describing and communicating what it is I need to say. I'm making a program where your speech gets turned into text and you can highlight something and it gets spoken back to you, basically. That's very shortly said. But then we're trying to see where we're going with this. You know, I asked it, what can we further develop? It's suggesting that when you press the button, it, takes what you're saying and it prompts it to a chatbot, and then it just speaks it back to you. So that's what it's suggesting. But right now, we're trying to fix very basic functionality, because my program, it has like Whisperflow, where there's like a little icon on your screen, and then when you hold down the key, you can see that it's listening to your voice and it's going like this. I have that, it works amazing, but I can't move it around on my monitor, and the AI doesn't know how to fix it, even though it did this earlier. And I am not a software developer, so I don't know what to tell it. Yeah. What's your UI and what are you using? Bro, I don't know. I am using what the AI created for me. Like, what's my UI? Are you asking what's on my screen, or I don't know? I don't understand. No, for the program that it created, right? I don't know. T-Kit or something. It's mentioning T-Kit awfully often. I don't know if that's like the UI. Maybe. T-Kinger, yeah. It's saying here, see, yeah. Basically, it seems like it's not registering when I press on it, because it says it added a print function, and it said, oh, so now when you left click on the pill, it's supposed to print this, nothing comes. When I right click, nothing comes. So it's not like registering that I interact with like the physical UI thing that it built. But it moves on mouse down event. Left click. What's your favorite food? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I really like sushi. I really like Oh, awesome. Fuck, the ad is here. God damn it. Maybe I can integrate into my chat here, because it's also something that I actually vibe coded when there's an ad playing, so I know it, in case people are not saying it, just like flashing ad playing. I thought about something silly. When I'm talking to the AI agent and it's working on what I'm telling it to do, I want like either like some cute gif of like something dancing while it's working, or maybe like the orc peon from World of Warcraft that's like work work. Like, I don't know. I just want something on my screen, so when it stops, I'm like, bam, we're back. We can work again. But I don't know how to create that because I'm talking to like Claude Code in VS Code. So like, I don't know how I would make a new program understand that VS Code, Claude Code is working on something. Like, it seems very simple, but I have no idea how you would do that. So that's when you ask an AI. See, now the docs is gone again. It doesn't register the Mac doc. See, it's not. Help! I don't know why it's not. Okay, so you're telling me if I just tell my AI mouse down event, then it fixes it? I'm not sure. And I'm using ChatGPT because I don't want to spend all of my tokens on Claude, because Claude is my favorite and it's so good, except right now it sucks. But usually it's pretty good. Is it possible to create a simple script application, whatever, that detects when my Claude Code agent in VS Code is working on something? So what I wanted to do is, when it detects that it's working on something, I wanted to play a cute GIF or like a funny World of Warcraft peon orc that's like chopping down wood, something like that. Yes, no, is it possible? I'm saying where to start looking. If it's supposed to do something when you click and drag, start looking at mouse down event. My favorite food, probably Thai, maybe pad Thai. Pad Thai is so good. The only thing I don't like about pad Thai is that the older I gotten, the more I actually started enjoying certain vegetables in my noodle dishes. And all of the Thai restaurants where I've gotten pad Thai from, it's like there's some vegetables in pad Thai, but it's very basic and limited. It's like there's not even like, usually there's like one or two like vegetables, and it's like, it's not enough. Oh, my PC's dying. Why is it not charging? What the fuck? Chat. Oh no, it's not my PC, it's my phone. Never mind. It's not it's my phone. I'm stupid. I freaked out. Hold on. It's because I'm using my phone as the camera, because then it looks good. Okay. No. By the way, chat, does anyone play Marvel Rivals? And can you boost me out of plat, please? Both me and my girlfriend are willing to buy Boost. Okay, no, we're not buying Boost. I'm kidding. I'm totally kidding. We're not buying anything, but tips are appreciated. Like, not money tips, but like, you know, do this, do that. Okay, continuing. See, I already got sidetracked. It's because you're working on something and then you're like, aha, this could be funny or this could be neat. This is the easiest version. Your script watches a tiny part of the screen. You can actually make a tiny VS Code extension. This AI is nuts. That's why I don't like ChatGPT. I swear, Claude Code comes with way better suggestions. Yeah. Oh. I can interact with the text. Claude is much better. We agree. Yeah. I mean, also, to be fair, I'm not paying like for ChatGPT OpenAI subscription, but still, like, I'm just generally having like so much better results. Olama, really? I actually applied for a job at Mistral. I didn't know it was French. I actually locally hosted Olama models on my MacBook, but it was so scuffed because like I don't have like a MacBook Pro or anything. So it was like crazy limited, like the models that I could host. That was kind of funny. Olama and use Mistral code. Okay. You offload to GFX? Bro. I already have Olama on my Mac actually. I think, no? Well, I used to have it. So what? I get Olama and then what? Then use Mistral coding model. Okay. Wow, there's so many people joining. AI coding agents for enterprises. What is Olama, the IDE then? Or like, how does that have to do with Mistral? I'm basically just building my own version of Whisperflow with other features. Can I offer some advice? No, yeah, of course. Why don't you just learn Python and ask AI to assist with that? It's much more rewarding and you can do better than AI encoding later. This app I can write in less than 2 hours. No, I think the problem with like learning Python is like I tried learning Python and honestly I just got like so incredibly bored trying to learn it within like 30 minutes. I think that's probably the biggest problem with it. No, like I mean like coding, like the reason why I like vibe coding and like coding is because I like the stuff you can build, but I don't have like the attention span or like the desire to sit and use hours of my life learning how to manually sitting and writing this, because it's like I don't know, that's not fun to me. So like what you can create is fun, but like yeah. I thought it was too dumb to be a programmer, but now I have 20 full stack developer. Nice. Yeah, honestly, I feel like that too. Like, honestly, I feel the same. Like, I would be too dumb probably to learn it, but maybe it's more like I just like, I don't know. I just get like, I can't really force myself to do something I don't want to. So, Angular, I think that is basically everyone that's trying to vibe code. Honestly, that people enjoy building stuff, but they don't necessarily want like the professional knowledge of like how you sit and like understand all of these like different words and how they work together. Yeah, that's cool. That's the dream, man. That's probably the dream, having like some vision of something you want to build or do, and then just like being able to sit down and like write it or like get it to work. It's pretty cool. You should, because you'll treat sensitive data and have at least a sense of no. But I think a big misconception is that like you don't need to sit and understand like all of these different like functions, like the variables. You just need to know what is a variable, what is a function, how does the logic work. Like if you know all of that, which I don't claim to know that, but if you get to a point where you know all of those things, I think that you can definitely like build something and treat sensitive data and be fine. And if you don't, then you can hire someone like some fucking software developer, and you can just fucking pay him to look at everything and be like, is this okay? No, yeah, exactly, and I agree with that. That's what I'm saying. You need to understand the basic logic, of course, and like the different things, everything. You can't create a well-rounded app with AI only for POC. Bro, what's POC, man? We're at a point. What is POC? Proof of concept. Thank you. That's why I have you guys. I don't even need Google. You answered me quicker than Google. Right now, I honestly like. I don't really care too much right now because, like, right now I'm just kind of treating it as fun. Honestly, like, I'm having fun doing it. Is everything that I am prompting and creating working first one shot? Of course not. Am I learning stuff? Yeah. Am I learning a lot? Well, not right now because I'm not focused on whatever. And most of the time, like, I think if I took it more seriously and, I was sitting it down learning with the AI agent that's doing it, like you can ask it to like teach you, like, okay, I'm adding this, why am I adding this, how does it work, and then I guess you'll just kind of learn it like that. Of course, if it's inaccurate what it's saying, of course, like then there's a problem. But yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, I don't know, because for me, I can only motivate myself to do something if I'm having fun doing it. So I can't like, yeah. I don't know, man. Wow, the chat is booming, man. I don't even remember who I started talking to first. Okay. What are we having for dinner, guys? Fish soup? Or what else? I'll be eating bread and probably meatballs, honestly, I think. I'm American, no idea. Oh, maybe I'm American then. Same. Every day it's the same for me. Oh yeah, it's like 7 p.m. here, man. So dinner is soon. God, really distracted. Sure. I mean, I think it's pretty easy to figure that out, but yeah. Hmm. 5,000 means AI. I need to know what to put in the prompt while you answer that. Here's a simple template. The 2 parts that usually save stuck session. Stop and explain before changing the code. The question is, I don't really know if it changed this now though. One sentence, what's the user facing symptom? The pill UI is not registering when we left or right click it. It could be mouse down event. It worked previously with Ghostwriter GUI before we merged it to Parrot, but I don't know if the original code has been altered now. Alright, Nova, no worries. What's been tried and didn't work? List the failed attempts to see. Really fucking tried rebinding. The thing that is annoying is it spits out way too much text for me to like understand like the changes. Because if you're sitting, like I could be sitting and reading for hours. What I want to do next. No guessing. It didn't fucking work. Okay. Very shortly sum up everything you just tried in attempt to getting it to work so we can avoid doing the same things over and over without actually fixing it. We got that here. Read the working reference code first before editing anything. Send the feature pages from what you want him to build and asking for proof of concept of V1 demo and use the plan feature. Oh, you're on YouTube, that's why I don't see you here. Oh yeah, it's pretty simple, honestly. I just want the physical graphics UI on the screen to be draggable. This is shortly summed up. Okay. Three. Okay, 6 attempts. This is not short, bro. Read the working, whatever. Let's just try this. See what he's saying. Two notes on why this prompt should land, why the others didn't. It tells, oh, okay, this is a prompt, okay. Here's a prompt pasted. Other agent verbatim. I've included the ground truth you discovered. And 5 minutes. Make the parrot pill window receive mouse clicks. Can we see? No, we can't. Left and right. Left clicking drag on the floating pill. Do not fire. Pill pump. Pill pump is running and the canvas bindings are registered, but mouse events never reach the window. This worked in standalone Ghost Rider. It broke when the pill was ported. Okay, it's too much. It's too much, bro. It's fired up. I'm not gonna lie, the vibe is kind of killed now. I don't know. See what he says. I'm gonna get up, stretch my legs. Been sitting down for like 2 hours. Oh shit. Oof. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Hold on. I just gotta pee real quick. BRB. Okay. Yeah, be right back. We're back. Okay. Turning it down a little bit. A little bit. Wait, hello? Hello? I hear myself. Okay. I didn't even know I could turn that on. Okay. So, what is it saying? Okay. I don't know. It's just so much text, right? Like, I feel like it's so much freaking text, man. Okay. Okay. I get that, I get that people like I don't know how to say this, like I don't know how to say it. But it's like I get that people don't like AI for many different reasons. But it's like I don't know. It's like I don't know. I just think it's awesome. I think it's cool. And it's fine that if you don't like it or you don't agree with it, but saying that you can't build something completely off of vibe coding and profiting off of it is completely false. Because there's many people that has done it. There's a guy that he hasn't even vibe coded for 200 days, and his monthly income is more than $10,000. So saying that you can't like solely vibe code something and profit off of it is complete nonsense. Like it's fine if you don't believe that, but it's been proven. So yeah, I don't know. I agree with everything that's been said. That of course it like helps tremendously if you have basic coding terminology understanding, the logic, how everything works together, the terms, everything. Of course it helps like a lot. But I think you just learn it if you just ask the AI to like just learn as you go, and kind of turn it into like a learning experience. It's fine. Like what's stopping anyone from vibe coding something completely harmless just for fun, but fun enough that people want to pay for it? Like there is, yeah, I don't know. A lot of developers, a lot of it's code by developers. No, but that I don't want to say that, but I understand if you're a developer and it's like you feel threatened, and that's fine. Like I'm not trying to take their job. I'm not trying to do anything. I'm just trying to have fun, and that's it. Honestly, but I don't know. Yeah, of course, maybe like yeah, you guys have seen the memes like, build GTA 6, make no mistakes. A very important prompt for the AI agent, right? Like, of course it's memes, and of course you can't just like build GTA 6 and make no mistakes, right? It doesn't work like that, but everyone knows that. You have to just start small if you're a beginner, especially to like coding. But of course you can build something that's fully functional. Is it the most optimized code on the planet, and can it be built with less lines of codes or better? Probably, but if it works, what the fuck is the problem? If it works, people are willing to pay for that product, there is no problem. If you're handling sensitive data, I agree, you should have an expert like look into it and say, okay, this is secure, but like, so far we're just having fun, guys. So like, yeah, I don't know. There's no need to like kill the vibe. Let's stay full. Alright. So just import cleanly, edit confined by this, run this, I'll try. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna try working on something else and then trying to look into it off stream probably, because I don't want to sit and like I mean, I don't mind like trying to get it to work, but it's just, I get it's kind of boring just like trying to fix the same issue for like an hour. Honestly, I get that. So it's like yeah. Okay, let's see if it's different. It doesn't work. Okay, wait. I don't think, are we in the right folder? We are in Parrot, so let's just do it like this. Don't we have Parrot in this folder? Oh, shit. It completely broke the program. Oh, wow. No, 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 no. Okay, what happened? Wait. Wait, am I in the right folder? Yeah. I am. Okay. So now it's just crashing Python. Jesus. I don't know what you did, but my Python crashes every time I try to run. Oh, there we go. Every time I now try to run Parrot, I get this error. What did you do? 5-hour limit. We're working pretty slowly through it, actually. I'm kind of impressed because it's been 2 hours and we used 68%. Oh my god, bro. Use the plan feature. No, but yeah, but then I have to just like manually say yes, 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 and I don't I don't really know what it like is asking me anyways. So it's kind of like, yeah. Because if we go back to plan, like we'll explore the code. Sure. I just get annoyed because I have to like press, and honestly, I'm fine with if it takes like 3 hours to use all my tokens, then that's a pretty reasonable time. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, I don't know, man. This is what the terminal says. I still can't interact with the pill. Maybe it's worth going through the official Tinker or whatever it's called. What the fuck is it called, guys? The like documentation. Documentation and see how you're supposed to interact with mouse clicks. Is it loud when I'm typing? Oh, you can't hear it unless I'm speaking. Okay. How easy would it be to create a simple VS Code extension that registers if my Claude Code agent is thinking / working on something? I don't want a status bar. I actually just want to trigger a GIF while it's working. Some weird chimes for the speed. Just gonna close that one. What is this? But okay, so I do the plan mode, but the thing I'm just saying, like, I don't know. I don't know. Did I review this? Sure. It's actually the first time in a while I've had this much slowdown with Claude Code. Like usually, honestly, it just kind of figures it out. Okay. What's a fun GIF, guys? Of like some dancing GIF. this? Or what's up? What's up? Or it means what's up, I don't know. Perfect Dev 2. How you doing? I'm sorry guys, my energy is kind of low today because I slept. I fell asleep so late. I didn't sleep a lot. I slept like fucking 4.5 hours or something. Then straight to work, 8 hours. Yeah, so I'm a little bit drained today. It's gonna be better tomorrow. Tomorrow will be better. Five new lines, total 1 import. I think since I'm new, kind of, to coding, and I only know the very basics and stuff, it's important when you introduce new elements just to tell me briefly at the end of each message what you introduced, roughly what it does or what it's used for, and of course like what it's called, whether it's like a new functionality, an actual function, or whatever. But it has to be very short and briefly and understandable for someone that doesn't know coding too well. But why is it asking this when I just said this? Sure. You love coding? Like actual like hot coding? Like you just sit and you code this shit out on like a Friday evening? Hell yeah. That's what's up, man. It's actually crazy. It's so fucking difficult. Maybe we need to change the shape of it or something. Hold on, man. Woo! Okay. What am I making? It's basically just like Whisper Flow, but like my own version. And then maybe like further develop it so you can like basically speak to any AI chat model of your desire and have it like speak back to you. It's what it kind of suggested. But for now, it's just like Whisper Flow, cheaper and simplified. It's giving me a little bit of problems here. So I don't know if we should try making the actual kill icon, interactive UI, whatever the heck you want to call it, bigger and like a square shape or something easier, because still nothing is happening. Maybe you can create it in another way, the UI that you're supposed to interact with, because it's still not working. We spent 10 attempts, nothing is happening. There's no response, no text in the terminal, nothing. We're not getting anywhere. We need to change something. What is this thing? Wait, so okay, but so how do I implement this code as a local extension in VS Code? Yeah, I think it's mostly a problem because it's like, as I've said, like I'm so like kind of new to it, and like you're being introduced to a lot of new like functions, a lot of new coding languages, like everything. So it just kind of like adds a bunch of stuff in attempts to create what you're telling it to, and then when it doesn't work, or like it changes something and then something's buggy, you don't really know what to tell it because you don't know what's actually in the code, you know? That's mostly the problem.
Oh, it's Spooner and his little fuck buddy, huh?
I'm that fuck buddy, by the way. That someone said that about me. Thank you for the follow, man. I appreciate you. I do warn you though, fair warning, I'm not a hardcore coder as yourself, alright? I'm just a dumbass that is having fun vibe coding. So, you know, just a fair heads up. No, it's okay. It did show something. I mean, we could do this and then just move forward, but is it because it's supposed to be transparent? It's for sure something with the transparency. Let's do this. We just get it to work now then. Oh my god. That follow sound, it reminds me of SOS, man. Fuck. Why is SOS not... The chat is quiet, I feel like we're in a call. Man, I actually usually don't have that many viewers usually, so usually there's maximum one person at a time chatting, so yeah, you could see it as like a private call with me. It's actually the first stream since I started this. To be fair, I've only done it for 4 days now, but it's the first time today, I feel like, where we had like more than 2 people in the chat at once. There was like, what, 3 or 4 people typing like at the same time. at a moment earlier. Honestly, that's already a bit too overwhelming for me. So yeah. 2 people I can handle, but if there's like one person talking about food and there's like 2 people hating on vibe coding, and then there's like one guy that's like, yeah, I just love to build stuff. Like, I'm not calling interview out, but I'm just saying, man, like, it's too much for one person to handle, right? Like, I'm sleep deprived, I'm food deprived, I'm just trying to have some fun, you know? This fucking AI is giving me shit. And then, like, yeah, I'm sure you can do it. I don't doubt that we'll get it to work eventually. It's just, you know, sometimes when you can't get something to work, you know, you just gotta take a break, come back, look at it later. Hey, Meow. How was work today? See, now it's not a call anymore. Now we're 2 people. Meow, I think you'll actually appreciate the community we're building, because so far, I think 3 other software developers have been in the chat today, besides you. So now there's been 4. It's a group call? Yeah, I guess you could call it a group call. Work sucked. Yeah, work was very slow today for me. And vibing, I'm vibing, but the coding is not coming apart. So it's basically just vibes, all vibes, no code. Every day the Linux AI exploiters are becoming worse. What? Goddamn, man. It sounds AIDS. God damn, we just used like more than 20%. In like what, 10 minutes? God damn it. Let's relaunch it. I mean, I talked to Claude like in 2 different windows. That's probably why. Oh, something happened. It died. Oh, it's just hidden? It's gone. Oh, it's up here. Now it's here. My Python code is spasming out. All right. If I tell it to do this, it is going to take all of my credits though. We're out of credits, guys. I mean, it's time to eat anyways soon. It's been 2.5 hours. All right, buddy. I think we need to do like a code review, trying to look into if the code is working as intended. It's now the second time I'm getting some Python unexpected crashes. So if we could analyze the code and see what might be causing crashes without changing any currently working features and functionality of the program, obviously. I'll say it's food or it's rivals time soon, guys, because the credits aren't crediting anymore. And since yeah, I'm broke for half a month, then yeah. Food sounds so good. Yeah, except that my food I'll be eating is so boring. Dude, I'm gonna eat frozen meatballs on bread. You're pretty chill with the AI. I can't handle how dumb AIs are these days. Yeah. I feel like I've been having like a joy time all up until now, mostly, honestly. Have there been points? There was points where it was a bit annoying, but I don't know. Right now it's being very stubborn. I also feel like if you had like the juicer plan, so you could just like launch like 5 agents at a time and just be like, do that, do that, do that, do that. You know, it's like you feel more efficient, but obviously when you're like a brokey, then yeah. Still sounds good though. I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong. I'm looking forward to my frozen meatballs with mayo on, but yeah. Honestly, I just don't have a lot of appetite lately, so I'll just kind of eat whatever gets me full, like what's easy and what isn't like disgustingly unhealthy. So there's some meatballs from one of the stores that changed the diet, perhaps. Yeah, but that's the thing. I just, man, I just have no appetite, so it's like it's difficult changing my diet when I don't want to cook food. Like I don't even want to eat food. I just want to be full and live life, kind of. And it's not that I'm like sad or depressed. Actually, it's just I don't know. It's just yeah. I think it was this one. I.e. what's eatable. Yeah, I'm a bit fussy with food though. So if there's something like I don't like the consistency or taste of, or look of, or smell of, then I usually avoid it. You know, but it's gotten a lot better. I just got a Python saying that. What did it say before, guys? What did it say before the Python? Like unexpected error or something? Something that I could nor report or another. I didn't see what the other option was. Which fixture should I apply? This and this is recommended. Sure then. Are you American as well? Dev? Perfect Dev? Was that your name? Because then I can't ask you what you're eating for dinner. I asked some guy earlier, he was American, and it was like, yeah, he didn't know because it's in like 6 hours for him. Yes. I learned what putting something on Git is today, but I'm not sure I even understand it. 99. Okay. What I just added in plain English. Fix 1 added 2 try except blocks around the calls. Okay. If anything inside the FN handling code raises a Python error, we catch it. Sounds good. I mean, let's try and open it. I think it might be broken now. So did you eat dinner yet then? God, it looks ridiculous right now. Abort. Yeah, it does this when I will be having wings with salad. Nice. I'm not really in my wings era anymore. I used to eat wings at one point a lot. Frozen rings. Wings, not rings. Wings. Chicken for protein. Yeah, I get that. There was this one. For the gym. Man, I haven't gone to the gym for so long and I beat myself up every single day for not going. But man, I'm all vibes now. Did I close my terminal? No. It's not this, bro. Yeah, true. Did it really say all of this when it crashed? No way, bro. Leaked everything, man. What is it saying? Oh. It's gonna complain really soon, but as soon as I try and move the new reformed pill, I get this error. Also, I still get the Python pop-up error. I'll attach a screenshot. Hi, Gabe. Oh shit, it said hi, Gabe. Don't include that in the... Yeah, we're pretty much done vibing for the day because it resets in like 2 hours. So, yeah. I fucking hate this Mac thing. Why is it not like... I can't find my equivalent of my file explorer. I don't know if there's a shortcut, and alt tapping or this doesn't do shit. And my dock is not showing up. Not a pet dog, but my DOCK, my Mac DOCK. It's not working, guys. You're supposed to put the cursor in the corner like this, and then you can get it up, and it's not working. God, it's really been giving me issues today, the dock. God damn it. Super annoying. I can't attach the screenshot right now. Whatever. Go ahead. It resets in 2 hours. If I have the Pro plan, no, if I have the Max plan instead of Pro, how many more tokens do you have? Because then I would basically just do it infinitely if I'm just doing one agent at a time. I'm not gonna get that now. I just want to know for like whenever. Pro plan. Let's see. Upgrade. What's the token? You get 20 times as more usage. 20 times. Okay. Then I will never run out of tokens. Okay. Cool. I guess I'll probably look into that next month, honestly. Because yeah, I don't know. If we're still streaming by next month, then, and we will be, then I'm probably getting that. Because then I'm not broke, dumb. What is it called? That Khalid song? Young, dumb, broke. Old. Not really broke. Not intelligent. Vibing. Okay. Time flies when you're just vibing, huh guys? It's already been 2 hours and 45 minutes. I'm surprised that it can plan all of this with 1% left. That guy was not wrong about conserving tokens. Wait, the limit went away. Is my limit reset? No. Where is it? Fuck. Nothing is working on Mac, man. Don't ever buy a Mac, guys. I know I don't have to tell you guys, but god damn, I'm getting fucking pissed. Okay, see, finally I can get it to show up after like 5,000 attempts. Holy moly, man. That is so frustrating. No. Where's my usage thing? Did it reset or what? Usage. It just reset. It just reset. We have another 6 hours. It said 2 hours. Why did it say 2 hours then? I guess it doesn't like update. Okay. Cool. That's something. I'm never gonna eat then. Oh no. Okay, we might have to take an eat break then if I have like brand new credits, guys. Ah, shit. Here we go again. I knew it. Okay. It's still crashing. What the fuck is it? Okay, it's really been one of those days, huh? We haven't created anything today, have we? No. We haven't fixed anything. I'm about to crank it up. This is the Python up. Also, the terminal still crashes when I try to move with the pill. Can you revert to the point where it was working in the Okay. Maybe eat break, guys. I need to eat something. I'm gonna start the oven. Question to all my real gamers out there. If you touch a banana like this, you know, you're peeling it, you're touching the banana, you touch the banana, maybe you don't have visible banana stuff on your fingers, but for example, I can see there's something on mine. Would you touch your keyboard before washing your hands? Yes, no. Because I used to be very picky with this and would not want to touch my keyboard. But as I've gotten a little bit older, depends on how greasy my fingers get from like a banana, but an apple, I probably wouldn't care. Catch me? The oven is heating up. I get scared if there is a little bit of dust, to be honest. On your fingers, or like just in general if there's dust. On devices, okay. Okay. Test 1, 2, 3. Test. Okay. It works, but now the pill location is in the top left corner because that's where it got put. So can you center it and put it at the lower bottom of the monitor? Not so it's touching, but a bit above the bottom. Wow, I'm using my own program to say that. I got so scared because I didn't see it in the normal location, so I thought it couldn't even fix it now. I was so scared, guys. Oh my god. I need something to actually start working now, otherwise I'm gonna start freaking out. I'm probably just gonna turn off the stream out, honestly, if everything is just not working. It's also just look at the bananas, you know, when you have to touch like the inside here where it's like all like, I know it's actually supposed to be good for your skin, but then you have to peel it like this, and then you have like this stuff on, like the banana stuff on your fingers, and it's like, and then I have to touch like my phone or something. No. God damn it. You can't expose the banana without, you know, like touching the stuff. It's, yeah. It's annoying. I need someone to peel my banana. Okay, that sounds wrong. God damn it. Mm. Okay, let's see if it works. Wait, fuck. It's being annoying again. Maybe honestly, I think I just have to make the dock perma shown because it's causing so many problems. I'm getting quite annoyed by that dock problem. I should just like perma show it. I don't want to eat it in one because sometimes the bottom looks bad. I don't eat brown banana. sake, man. Test, test, 1, 2, 3, test. At least it works now. I can't drag it. I'll look into that another time. We got that to work. Sorry, my lips are chapped, guys. So I'm like trying to like, yeah, I know it's, don't mind it, okay? Don't look at it. Okay. See, sometimes when I press Control C, really, huh? Does anyone know? No, none of you know Mac. I'm pressing Control C and it doesn't break like. Oh, see, it was a bug. Bugged. Okay. Okay, so what should we work on next here? I need you to brainstorm with me the next feature we could implement or work on Parrot. I gave up working on the pill function. It's in the middle of the screen. It shows when you're talking, transcribing. It's fine for now. So what other features should we work on? Something really simple is getting like the icon to work, but I don't know, it's kind of boring. I'm getting really annoyed by that dock and it's really slowing me down. Like I spent like 15 minutes just trying to open like the windows I want to open. So I am just going to do like this so it's always there, because it's really starting to like slow me down. This is fine. This we can close. Okay. Take a sip. What was it that I wanted to do? Oh yeah. Generalize simply into a library of safe prompt. I don't know if I like that. What are you going to work on, if you don't mind me asking? I mean, honestly, to me, this doesn't feel like work, because I'm just like talking to you guys, drinking Coke, and like messing around with like an AI agent, you know, having a conversation with an AI agent. So it really doesn't feel like work. Which one would be easiest? Right now, I don't code to make something serious, just to improve, so I can make anything and have fun with it. That's basically what I do, but with vibe coding. So yeah. Like, I'm not really working on something like, you know, crazy or anything. It's just kind of like, you know, to get used to it, so you can make cool stuff later. Like the, I don't know, yeah, just to chill. But are you learning? Honestly, yeah, I don't really learn that much. You know, I get introduced to some things. So you're kind of right. Uh, mm, uh, uh, which bundler? Unbundled, I guess. I agree. Like, if you're, you know, if you're actually like learning the code and stuff and doing everything yourself, of course you learn a lot more. But yeah, as I said, I don't know, it's just not really fun to me. Okay, so we did that. Mm. Can I find this one? I don't know. Can I open like a new VS Code instance? Like a new tab? Or do I have to, can I open like the program again? New window? Works. Join my game. I'm sorry, man. I didn't even remember I had that. It doesn't really do anything, sadly. It's when I played Dead by Daylight. Meow. What if I create Dead by Daylight 2D in a browser, vibe coded? Will you play it or will you not because it's vibe coded? Classic DBD with only Trapper, Billy, and Wraith. And then the 4 original survivors, Meg, Jake, Claudette, Dwight. What you say? I don't know if you know Dead by Daylight Perfect Dev, but yeah. I've got one of my viewers that I know from Dead by Daylight. He's a software developer. Well, yeah, I think he is. He's good at coding, at least. But then, so he doesn't understand. He hates vibe coding. So, if I create something that he likes, vibe coded, he's forced to like it. I'm gonna get this because I'm getting too many ideas and I have nowhere to like write them down. It's annoying to, no! Okay. Can I just use my finger? Guess not. My oven is ready. Dead by Daylight in browser. Classic Dead by Daylight in browser. But imagine, guys, if I had the max plan, I would have 20 times as many tokens. So that means I could just chill and vibe code like this on like an app, and then meanwhile it's doing like every time it's like loading and stuff, I could just be like, right, we gotta start working on this game, man. I just spin it up and then just, you know, make it do something completely different meanwhile. No, text only. All right. I don't see it. It's here. This extensions here. So I override everything. That's how I understand it, right? You see, with placeholder code, replace its entire contents. Okay. Boom. Then create a media folder at the project root. Project root. Here. Wait, this is not at root, right? How do I put it at the root? Yep. Okay, so now we need to find a GIF. GIF, as people say. My contacts are getting very like okay, perfect. It's gonna look scuffed, but it's just to test it out. Working.gif. Okay, so I need to rename. Here. See, like this, you're actually like learning something, you know? Startup finished. I did something, I'm coding. Okay, no. This tells you it's got to load your extended when it starts up. I can delete it. All of this. Press F5. How do I press F5 on Mac? It worked. Run Cloud Clone. Yeah. This is just a test to see if my extension is working. So smile and wave. It didn't work. Did we do something wrong? Once it works, package it, and then. So what if it doesn't work? How can I troubleshoot if it doesn't work? I pressed F5, it opened Extension Development Host, and I opened Claude, I sent it a message, and nothing happened. Command Shift P. That's not this. No, it's not like this. I don't know what I'm doing, chat. It's not like this. Test. Oh. Oh, it is this, I guess. God, I hate typing on this Mac shit. It's not there. Look for your extension in the list. If it's not there, activation failed. What is it called? I don't know what it's called, but you should be able to find it, no? It's called work something. Not here. Okay, so then we go back in this. And then we do what? The one you press F5 and check debug console at the bottom. There's none. Debug. Oh, there's some. Can I copy all of this? Debug is this. I don't know what it's telling me. I thought this was gonna be simple. No, it wasn't working. Private chat room and full empty free gone. It's what is called the song. Guys, if anyone's still here in the chat, oh, you can't even see it. It's full screened. I'm so stupid. Well, I thought you could see. Professional streamer, by the way. But I think I'll wrap it up. We didn't really get anything developed today, sadly, because we focused a very long time on something we didn't get to work. That's how it is sometimes, guys. Sometimes, some days, you know, it's like one step forward and 2 steps back, you know? So that's just how it is. You joined late? Yeah. We've been streaming for, let's see. I've been streaming for 3 hours and 26 minutes. So we've been going for a while. Yeah. It's almost 9 p.m. I'm gonna eat some food. I'm gonna take my contacts out. I'm gonna jump into my sweatpants and look like a hobo. And maybe I'll play some Rivals after I ate. I don't know. Maybe I'll tinker with this a little bit. But yeah. One thing's for sure is tomorrow we're streaming again. And we'll get something done. I don't know what, but we'll fix something. We'll work on it. We're not giving up, you know. Sometimes it's doesn't go as planned. I thought I would one-shot it, and I thought I would work on Parrot for one day, because up until now everything was so easy. But yeah, hey, you know, it's not always as easy as you think. If it was as easy as some people think it is, everyone would be billionaires, right? So yeah, I appreciate you, Perfect Dev, and everyone else that joined and chatted. And yeah, have a chill night, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow for more vibe coding, more whatever, just vibing with you guys, chatting about pad thai, you know, or whatever. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.